Hi, my name is Peggy Haymeyer, and some of you may know me as Emily Haymeyer's mother. Today I'm showing you how to do a bunny cake, which I learned to do when I was a young girl myself. I have started making this for my granddaughter for her birthday and Easter every year. And so I decided today that I would put it on video so she would have a video since she can't come this year. First thing that you will need to do is get 2 round cakes. You can do that from one cake mix, and I made mine last night. You can do any size you want. Mine are probably 8-inch. When you're making the bunny, what you need to do is you need to make the ears and you need to make a bow tie. To make the ears, you simply cut a circular or semicircle like a moon and do the next one. Okay, now we can put it together. What you do is you bring it down. This becomes your bow tie, which goes at the bottom, and this becomes the ears. You'll need to find a cake pan or a cardboard thing or something to put the bunny on, because that is what you'll need more space than a usual space for a cake. The next thing that you do is you have to icing it. I am using prepared icing that I got at a store. You can make your own icing, you can make fluffy icing, you can do anything that you want as far as the icing is concerned, because all we're doing is icing the cake. Now this will take me a little bit to do. I'm not like the people on TV. I didn't do one ahead of time. When you're doing the bottoms here, I like to put a little icing there so that my bow tie will stick to it and it won't move. But anyway, we keep doing this. Now, as you can see, we have finished icing the cake. So now we have to decorate. Usually, I use jelly beans and I use licorice, but because of the distancing and not going shopping, I had to think of things that I had in my home. I had some cherries, so I'm going to use a half a cherry for the eye, and then another half for the other eye. So there we go. Then we need to make a smile. So I had some Red Hots used for baking. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Red Hots. As you see, this is not a perfect bunny, but if you can imagine your granddaughter, your children, someone helping you with this, it is so much fun. My granddaughter, after the first time, it was a request. Grandma, we have to make the Easter bunny. So that's what we did. Usually I use licorice for the whiskers, but I thought, well, I've got toothpicks, so I'll go ahead and use those instead. Again, like I said, with the social distancing, you may have to think about what do I have in my home that I can use. As a child, there were 10 of us, so we really enjoyed working and doing the Easter bunny. It was a special treat for us to do this bunny every year. I think I did it once or twice with my son and daughter, but not as much as I should have. Okay, for the ear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a inside area with Red Hots, and then I have red food coloring. I have red sugar, and I don't have pink, so I thought, well, I have the red sugar. That'll be okay. That'll make my Easter bunny good looking. Like I said, this Easter bunny does not have to be perfect by any means. What the fun is having your children, grandchildren, someone making it with you. When Francesca's here, it really gets wild as to what we end up with. So, but anyway, this is the ear. Now, I'll go ahead and I'll take red food coloring and put it in the middle. Okay, so we have our ear made. I'll go ahead and do the bow tie, and then you can think about what you might want to do yourself. Like I said, it's a very simple thing to make. You'll have to, like I said, think of things that you have because of social distancing and not going to the store. Or you may already have jelly beans at your house. That would be great. But this is kind of what it would look like when it was done. This is the finished product. Keep in mind you can use whatever you have at home. The most fun part is the fact that you have your children, grandchildren helping you, and let them use their imagination. They may want to put something around the face, the ears, whatever. Just have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Hi, Francesca.